Here's the best way you can make 5 to 10K a month as a complete beginner, and all you need is a phone and a laptop. Let's go. And don't worry if this seems highly competitive. The market for this worldwide is billions upon billions of people, and 99% of you have already kept scrolling anyway. Make sure you like and save this video for later, and let's walk you through the process. The process is called affiliate marketing or freelance digital marketing, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get it set up for yourself. Step 1 is you're gonna go to digistore24.com and get started for free. Once you get logged in, you're going to come over here and select Marketplace. From there, you can use this sidebar to find all the different product categories. We call these niches, and for this example, I'm going to use fitness and health. We're going to find a popular product like this one that has a high commission percentage. Selecting a popular offer is super important, and it's going to save you a ton of time. Because it's already selling well, that means affiliates are having success promoting it and customers are getting results. Once you have the right offer, click the blue Promote Now button. You'll get a special link that looks like this to promote that product. So when somebody buys that product through your link, you get paid a commission. My personal favorite way to do this is with high ticket affiliate marketing, where you're making $1,000 or more per sale. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'd be happy to answer them.